What's good, guys? I don't even know what to call this video. I just thought I'd make one, but I need to put this in, and I thought, why not? You know what I'm saying? So let's just get into it. You feel me? I'm gonna go put it in the functions folder. What's that? What's it gonna be called? Because it's not really sorting. It's not really sorting. I can't even think of a word, dude. Let me chat GBT this mug. Filtering. Why basic basic shit. All right. So filter table. Like, why couldn't I just find that word to begin with? Why did I struggle? Am I mentally chalked right now? All right. Filter table. So we're just gonna do this real quick. Um we could really just do this. And because this way, I don't know, I've been using bariatic, whatever the fuck. I've been using these more lately though. And I've actually been finding it useful. Like I've actually like been noticing like, oh, I could just slap a few dots on here and then make it in a way where down the road, if I ever wanted to use it for something else, I could do that. I don't know. I think I am mentally chalked. Been nonstop coding for a long ass time. All right, so what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. What's the difference between returns the basic type of the provided table, returns the type of the given object as a string? I use type of. I've not used type because I don't really use type, so but I use type of for this if I'm doing like certain checks like this. So we'll do I just want to do a check. I don't know. I just want to do a check. I probably don't need to because it's never going to come to this, but I feel like it. So I'm doing it. But what I'm basically doing is just filtering out a table and making a new one. Okay. So I'm never going to have to like look at this again probably. So I don't need to be like super crazy with names, honestly, if I'm keeping it a buck. Could be value in B do? Yeah. And then we'll do if could be value. Hold on. For we don't even need this up here. I just did it, I don't know, out of reflex. Like it really doesn't matter though. We could just slap this like right here. I'm just gonna do that anyway. Like, okay. We really don't need it to be up there at the top. You feel me? I like reading it right there anyway, so I know when I'm reading down, I can just, those dots are so easy to pinpoint if I ever need to know where I'm, going through that. So that's why I like doing that. I don't always like doing a variable for it. Um, what are we gonna do now? I'm like freaking losing my train of thought right now. This will be an interesting video though. Seeing somebody tired as hell, burnt, coding, like crazy. All right, my guy, I am burnt as a potato. Okay. Yeah, this is it, right? Okay, I'm at actually I'm gonna make this value again. I just really don't like looking at this or just data or info. Data or info. I'm doing a bunch of nothing right now, honestly. I'm losing my freaking mind. Oh, this is like the most basic stuff going on. I'm just like losing train of thought. If could value equals attribute, right? So we're going through data. So we don't need these keys. Okay. Then, so we need this as well. We need this index as well. This is important. Because what we're going to do is we want it to be the same index for sorting, like, so it sorts itself. I think that's what's going to happen. I think this is right. Okay. You know what? We can like, I don't know what they call it. They call it nesting. Um, I just can't think right now. But we can, yeah, we can like just not do that. All right. That looks a little bit better. Okay, don't run and return that. Okay, I think this works. So let me just go back over it. So our table is going to be, let me show y'all what the table is looking like. It's a little testing table. Okay. That's our testing table real quick. So each one is going to have an index, like a number index. So it's officially an array. So we're sending an array to this filter table function. Could call it filter array for the utmost you know, clarity, whatever you want to call it. I can't think straight. But like whatever, dude. I've already named it. I don't care. Okay, so we're sending that array. This is the index. This is the data. If data isn't a table, we're gonna continue. Just so you know, we don't have no many issues and yeah. And then if it's yeah, okay. So then we're looping through the data, okay? We're looping through the values and the data. And then we're also gonna loop through our values. So these are our values, right? These are our values. We're looping through our values. Attributes, really. I have them named attributes all throughout my code, so that's why I call this attribute. And this could be like our filter string, okay? So let's implement this actually right now. All right. So where's my functions at? Filter. Whatchamacallit? I almost put in filter array. Should have named it filter array. It's already making more sense in my head now that we established that it's a freaking array. That's whatever though. I don't even know how to spell array. I'd have to look it up on Google, and I don't feel like doing that. Oh. I don't know if it's an A or an E. It's an E. Like, let's keep it a buck. It's an E. It's an E. It could be an A though. That's how much I don't pay attention. That's how much I don't pay attention. I just don't care. God damn. All right, where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Okay, this is the only one. These are the on-player items. We don't need to worry about that. So first off, we need to set our state. All right. So we need to have filtered backpack as a hook. Okay. Set filtered backpack. All right. Okay. And this is going to be a table. Okay. Now, and then we also need a category. We also need a category state as well. Okay. So let's put that in there too. And we're gonna call it current just for you know, the utmost uh clarity. I can't think of another word. I feel like there's a better word to use, but I just can't think of anything right now. Like my thinking is crazy right now. Okay. Boom. All right, so now we need to, where's our category function? Set current category to category. Where's our all button too? Where's our all button at? Shit. Um, hold on. What was that function called? Category button activated. All. Okay. So, um, so what we can do here, I'm gonna leave these at the top. Well, actually, no, because I'm gonna continue it, right? So if not category, oh wait, no, what am I doing? If category does not equal, and that's just me being tired, honestly. If current category, see, this is why it's important. That extra word is important, okay? That extra word is important. It's important because now when I read it, I'm going to know exactly what it's for, what it's referring to. If I remove the current, I would have to think a little bit more. And it's stuff like that that can really make a huge difference in the long term of working on projects, building out large code bases and stuff like that. Okay? It really can. And that's why, like, dude, I'll have like long ass variable names, like right here. That's like this. That to me is a shorter one, honestly. If I'm keeping it a buck. That's an item button in suspense. That's like a decent sized one. I feel like I had a longer one though. Maybe I'm tripping. Get attributes from objects, but you know, yeah. Let's just continue. Okay. Hold on. I don't even need to really do this because I made the filter table. Like I just thought of this. I don't even need this filter table function. I could just handle it in here and say if attribute and just add category attributes and say if category, you know, if current category does not equal all and attributes dot category type does not equal current category. So what did we just do this whole? I'm actually like a nut job, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Whatever. I got a cool little filter function now. It's like whatever, dude. All right, whatever. That's goofy as hell. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, category type. So if current category does not equal all, and category type does not equal current category, and then that's another thing. Type category type. If it was just category, it wouldn't be as clear, and it involves more thinking. That like little bit of thinking adds up. Okay, it really does. And then we're just gonna continue. We're just gonna continue, and yeah, like, and that's it. And that's it. That's all we need. And we don't need to do it for the on-player items because it's never gonna be a thing. Like we're sorting the backpack only. What do I need to do now? I need to get my test data out. Let me get Roblox out at the same time. All right, so okay, what am I doing right now? All right, bet let's go. All right, okay, let's get her done. Just random key. Okay. Um, I'm just making up like this is like just random stuff. Like I'm not. This is what's coming off the top of the dome. We don't need the O. I don't know if we want the O there. Would it be more official? Yeah. In backpack, true. Let's add a bunch of items in the backpack. Um, just to make sure our things are random. 5.7, 1.3. And we can honestly just add milk. Milk. All right. And we'll keep that one shaving cream. Now we're just going to do category, right? So category type equals I don't even know what to do here. I'm just like, what are my categories? I forgot what my categories are. Do seed for this one. Tools for this one. Actually, yeah, we'll do C for this one too. And then we'll do C for this one too. And then we'll do food for this one. Food. And then I'm just gonna leave that one blank. Oh wait, we have another. Okay, shit. I can't remember any other category types that I had, to be honest. Plants. Plants is one. Okay, and then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back here. And we're gonna do and because I'm pretty sure we have to do this to make sure it's because we can't compare. Maybe like it'll do like attempt to index nil with blah blah blah. Uh so um I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm just tired. I don't freaking know, dude. I just can't think straight right now. All right, let's try it. What the hell? How'd you get in there, dude? What the hell are you doing? Got stuck in the freaking bathroom. What the fudge nuggets? What is this? What is happening right now? Oh. Did I not save? Did I not save my shit? I can't remember. I guess I didn't. All right, bet. Oh, it's already working. And now it's not. Okay, cool. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, so wait, what do we do? If it does not equal all, we're gonna have to use state to just all by default. There's no need not to. All right, so and then where's my buttons? Where's my category buttons? Category buttons component. Callback is category. Oh. I'm super tired right now. Holy shit. Set current category to category. Okay, so if current category does not equal all, and attributes dot category type does not equal current category, warn attribute. What? Oh, what am I doing? Attributes category type current category, just to get a little warn statement out real quick. Nil. Okay, cool. That's good to know. Why is it nil? Wait. Oh, did I spell it wrong? I know I probably would have. Yeah, I did. Look at this. I do this all the time. I do this all the time, bruh. So many times, bruh. That's why I immediately went to that. That's why I immediately went to that. Like, oh, what the fuck was, what the fuck? Hold on. Oh, it's printing out the roar. See, I'm not even on track for what's happening. Categories. Okay. What am I doing again? I'm like hella confused right now. Category type. It's still not working. What was our prints? Seed. Okay. Did I more typos then? Yeah, more typos. All right. All right, let's try it one more time. This should be it. This should be the ticket. Hey. That's lit. That's lit, dude. That's actually really lit. Plants is not working though. I have a plants category type. Category type plants. Hold on. Why doesn't plants show up? Oh, because it's not in backpack. Duh. Cool. That is actually super freaking cool. Um, hold on. Let me go back to this. In backpack items. If attributes. I need to put this logic under here. I need to put that logic right there. Yeah, that's good. And then I need to put this logic also under here. Because that could have maybe been potential bugs. So I'm glad that I just caught that. And there you have it. And what I was originally making the tutorial for, we didn't even end up using. You know, but it'd be like that, dude. But I'm glad that I found a cool little, you know, solution or whatever. Super cool, dude. Deadass. Like that is actually really cool. Glad that I came up with this. Yeah, I'm definitely happy with this system right now. Fire. See you guys later. See you guys on the next one. Stay locked in, everybody. Just stay on the grind. Don't give up. You feel me? That's all it takes. Peace out.